Welcome to Punch It Unboxed. My name is Markus, I'm the owner of Punch It, and in this video I show you how you can live stream with a drone. So once a month we have in our gym the Soi Fight. This is a fight event for beginners, and there we always make a live stream. To improve our live stream, we want to make something different, and I never see in a live stream for a fight event the drone shots. That's why we try to make in our gym. We want to make all the setup quick as possible, so we find out with the DJI Mini Pro 5 they have the screen controller and you mirror all the screen to your YOLObox. The problem, you have all the information on your screen also in the live stream, and this was actually not that nice, and we want to improve that too. The easy way, you can use a HDMI cable with an adapter. So another way is you buy one more cable, HDMI with USB-C. Right now we will connect the USB-C cable to HDMI and direct to the YOLObox. But it's also important, first connect the YOLObox with the controller and after turn on. So now you mirror exactly the same screen as you have on the controller, and you can go here to the setting in the YOLObox, cropping, and here you can scale the image and make that you don't have the information on the screen. Just confirm, done, and all your image is clean and you can screen without any information of your drone. In this way we have only two issues. The one is the green line in the middle we cannot remove, but maybe in the community of all the drone pilots someone have the solution. Let us know in the comment. And the second issue, when you fly the drone you need to go a little bit more far, about we have to zoom the screen, and sometimes the home point also show up in the live stream. Make sure the home point is out of your frame you want to record. It's not the best setup, but it's, in my view, one of the easiest setup you can make a live stream with a drone. If you want to make a clean image export of your stream, you need to have another controller. This is the RC2 Pro, and this is very expensive, and we don't want to invest another $1,000 just to make a clean image. And I hope we can help you for your next live stream to improve and make something different than others. If you want to know more about the YOLObox, we made already two different videos. One from the live stream event in the Punch It Fight Night, and the other with a more detailed explanation of the YOLObox. I hope you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.